Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo. Today I'd like to show you the KMU 200, a brief tour of how the KMU 200 works. The KMU 200 actually uses a 4K camera. So when I put a 4K camera in, I can actually select 4 separate shots from that 4K. And being able to switch from those different angles is all touchscreen on the KMU 200. So let's get started and I'll give you a brief tour of the menu, camera control, and how to switch with the KMU 200. The first thing I'd like to show you is the menu. Now to access the menu, you actually have to use 2 fingers. I swipe down like this, and the menu pops up, and you can see the different options that are here. Output, setup, for example, input info. That, if I select that, it lets me know I have a 4K signal. That's what this video right here will be. And I have another one I want to show you is the aux setup. If I select that, I have 4 channels I can select. So whatever aux output I want for that output, I can select which channel that I want. But to get rid of the menu, 2 fingers on the screen up, and now it goes away. Another motion is 3 fingers down. If I do that, you'll see there's 4 boxes on the screen. If I do 3 fingers down, I get one big box. And that big box I can move around with my finger like this. And the nice thing about it is I can do a touch screen. I can touch, so I can actually switch if I just want to do it this way. Touch somebody in the face and it'll actually go cut to that as a shot. So if I want to get rid of this and I want the other 3 boxes, it's 3 fingers up. And now I have all 4 boxes that I have available to me. Next thing I'd like to show you is the button controls on the KMU 200 itself. First I want to show you the audio. Here's all these buttons right along here are your audio levels, channel 1 and 2, and your aux, your digital, which is if you have camera audio embedded, you can control the audio levels here with using the digital, and the master. So these are all your audio controls for your stream, your record, your output. Next, basically I want to show you the different functionalities here. This obviously has streaming and recording. I won't go into a lot of details about that. We have other videos that'll show you how to do streaming and recording. So we'll skip on this for now. L, S, and it says vertical. The L is for large boxes. The S is for small boxes. Vertical is, of course, vertical boxes. So we'll go into more details about that when we show you how to control your shots. The PTZ lock will also show you when we show you the controls. Here is your joystick. I can move my box around. Whatever I have selected in preview, I can move that in my shot here. And then, of course, I can zoom in and out. And I have fast, medium, and slow. So if I want to have, for example, real slow motion here on my box, I can do that, or I can go real fast. Next thing I'd like to show you is actually how to switch with the KMU 200. It's a little bit different than a typical switcher. Over here we have 6 buttons to choose from. 1, 2, 3, 4, a full screen button, and a PC button. So if I push 1, you'll see on the program here, there's a shot of 3 people, and then I have a 2 shot. There's another shot of the 4K video that I'm using. My 3 shot is a different angle, and here's my 4 shot, and now I have a full screen. So there's everybody. So let me go through them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, full screen. Now I also have a PC connected to this with a PowerPoint, so I can switch to that and then talk about the PowerPoint if I'm doing a presentation, back to full screen, or back to one of my shots that I have with the 4K camera. So how do I move my shots around without messing up one of my other shots? So what you need to do is I hold down, let's say red, if you see red and green, here's 2 and 4. Red is my output or my program. 4 is my preview, so I can set up my preview shot. So on my screen here, I can actually move my shot around with my finger. And let's say I want that to be my shot, and then I can take 4. And now I have my new shot. To select another preview before I want to cut to it, I hold down 4, which is my program. Let's say I want 1. So I select 1, and now I can move 1 around. Otherwise, if I try to grab 4, I can't. I have to select it first. So anything that's green I can move, anything that's red I cannot. So you have to keep that in mind and just know that the colors will change for you. Now let's say I want to go smaller. I want to have a little more smaller boxes. I can, up here on the top row, I have, remember, the large and the small. I can select my small. And now you'll see that the boxes are much smaller on my screen here. So remember, green is the one I can move. Let's put this right over here. And now I'll select number 4. And I'll select this over here. And now I'll switch back from 1 to 4, back to full screen. So I can get a little tighter shots by using the smaller boxes, if that's what you desire. Of course, the full screen will always be the same. Your PC input will always be the same. The last thing I really want to show you is the fact that I can go to vertical shots as well. So if I wanted to move up at the top row here, I have a vertical button. If I select that, now all my shots are vertical. Why do I want vertical? Well, the social media is taking off like crazy. There's a lot of customers that want to be able to stream and record in vertical mode. And that allows you to do that. That allows you to go straight to Facebook using the KMU 200. That's why you have the ability to, there's a vertical button here for the streaming as well. I can stream vertically right to Facebook. So I can basically watch my production on a phone. So it makes it really helpful. Everything else is the same. I can move my shots around, zoom in and out just like I did before. And let's take that shot, number 4. There's my program. And you can see that I can isolate different shots using this vertical mode. And there you have it. The KMU 200 is one of the most unique switchers on the market today. I know I didn't show you too much about how to stream and record on the KMU 200 in this video. We do have a lot of resources available to you in other videos. Click on the links below. So the KMU 200 is shipping now, and please visit our website at datavideo.com. And also don't forget to like us on all our social media. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of new videos that we're introducing the rest of 2020. Thanks for watching.